Welcome to AutoMaster, where we bring you the latest in the automotive world. Today, we have something special, the all-new 2026 Isuzu Trooper. If you're looking for a rugged SUV with a bold design, impressive performance, and modern features, this one deserves your attention. The Isuzu Trooper has long been known for its durability and off-road capability, and the 2026 model takes things to the next level. It maintains its legendary toughness but now comes with a sleek, modern look. The front fascia is aggressive, featuring a large blacked-out grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it a strong presence. The side profile is muscular with bold fender flares, 20-inch alloy wheels, and blacked-out roof rails, making it both practical and stylish. At the back, the Trooper sports sleek LED taillights, a new bumper design, and a rear spoiler that adds to its aerodynamics. Under the hood, Isuzu has equipped the 2026 Trooper with a powerful 3.0L turbocharged diesel engine, producing 250 horsepower and 480 Nm of torque, paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling rough terrains, the Trooper's advanced 4x4 system ensures maximum traction and stability. With multiple drive modes, including off-road and sport mode, it adapts effortlessly to different conditions. Inside, the cabin is all about comfort and technology. Premium leather seats, a large 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a panoramic sunroof make it a premium experience. Safety is a priority with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. The expected price for the 2026 Isuzu Trooper starts at around $45,000, making it a strong competitor in the SUV market. Its biggest selling points? A rugged yet stylish design, powerful performance, modern tech, and outstanding off-road capability. That's it for today's review on AutoMaster. Let us know what you think about the 2026 Isuzu Trooper in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next one.